Hi, guys, welcome to our channel, The Pro Reviewer. In this video, we try to help you find out the best OBD2 scanners on the market. Based on our research and knowledge, I made this list and tried to find and list those items according to their quality and performance, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their latest prices and more images and find more details, you can check out those links in the description below. Let's see the product one by one. Number 11. OxGord OBD2 Scanner with the best in class and price. This OBD2 scanner is available would be a good option for everyone. OxGord is a popular brand that has consistently come up with reliable tools. By connecting it to a 16-pin connector, you can easily turn on the ignition. The two buttons will allow you to have an easy operation. And it supports all OBD2 protocols on different types of vehicles. You don't have to worry about any hassle as it comes in a handheld design. This model will eliminate the need for having anything extra, as it does not require any batteries. Number 10. Launch CR3001 OBD2 Scanner backed with fault code definition. Launch OBD2 Scanner works with most types of vehicles. The plug-and-play scan tool is easy to use and does not require any technical experience. You can have a live data stream or view freeze frame very conveniently. The automotive diagnostic tool can also identify VIN information. Once you are done with the faulty components, it can turn the vehicle ignition. You can even use it for misfire and fuel systems. Number 9. OBDScar EOBD OBD2 Scanner. OBDScar OBD2 Scanner is a blend of performance and affordability. You can use it with most types of vehicles as it comes with maximum compatibility. The OBD2 scanner can support all OBDII protocols, and it eliminates the need for any battery. By supporting multiple languages, the scanner will offer you better convenience. It comes with a 7-button panel, which will let you have an effortless operation. One great thing is that you can maintain better safety as it can also perform a smog check. You can use it for maintenance testing and it also features an onboard monitor test. With the EVAP system test, you can even initiate a leak test. Number 8. MOTOPOWER MP69033 OBD2 Scanner. With the MOTOPOWER OBD2 Scanner, you will be able to perform multiple tasks as it has many features. The affordable value makes it great for having home diagnostics. The 9-protocol compatibility along with 6-language support will offer you convenience. With no battery or charger required, the scanner will further enable you to save on repair costs. It features a compact design, along with 6 buttons and a clear LCD screen, which ensures easy reading. The practical design of the OBD2 scanner makes it IM ready. It provides you all the information regarding the vehicle, and it features an engine coolant. In addition to this, it can even calculate the load value. Number 7. AUTOPHIX OM126P OBD2 Scanner. Unlike other OBD2 scanners, the AUTOPHIX scanner has a large screen display of 4 inches, and it is available at an unbeatable price. It not only lets you have an easy operation but can also determine the accurate type of repair. The special functions make it great for professional applications. This can show code definitions along with onboard monitoring. You can even identify probing in relation to vehicle emissions and fuel efficiency. Most importantly, it can initiate a leak test for the EVAP system. Whether it is data steam or pending codes, the AUTOPHIX OBD2 scanner can perform all these. Number 6. Autel AL319 OBD2 Scanner. Autel is a popular brand that offers easy solutions for complicated problems. From professional diagnostic tools to reliable accessories, its products are one of the most affordable in the market. Autel's OBD2 scanner has an easy user interface, making it great for beginners. You can get all the necessary information and take appropriate action. The patented one-click key can check state emissions. And you will get better flexibility with the large TFT color display. An array of other features like an LED indicator and built-in speaker will offer you maximum convenience. Number 5. FOXWELL NT301 OBD2 Scanner. With FOXWELL OBD2 Scanner, you can read live data in both text and graph forms. Most importantly, it comes with multiple features and has better pricing. By detecting intermittent problems, it ensures that there will be confirmed repairs. The built-in speaker can also prepare for a smog test. Along with multiple features, it has a white color screen that can support data logging. You can even save on the cost of car maintenance as it lets you easy home diagnostics. Simply plug it in, and it will start running all the functions. It can even erase engine codes on all types of compatible vehicles. Number 4. ANCEL AD310 OBD2 Scanner. If you are looking for an OBD2 scanner that can be used with most types of cars, then the ANCEL Universal OBD2 Scanner would be a good option for you. ANCEL is a popular brand that has come up with many professional tools. The classic design of the scanner will let you save time and money as it can fix the problem quickly. While this, you can also read intermittent and hard memory, and it works by providing historic codes. Despite being available at an affordable value, it doesn't need any power source. The OBD2 data link connector will automatically power the device. By just plugging it into your vehicle, it prompts for starting your ignition. Number 3. Bafx Products Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner. Bafx OBD2 Scanner will offer you maximum flexibility with the wireless design. The Bluetooth feature will enable you to use it with all types of Windows and Android devices. Bafx is a popular brand that can work on all types of OBD2 protocols. With the diagnostic sensors, there will be real-time monitoring of fuel pressure, O2 data, and even the EVAP system. There will be no more mechanical issues as it can identify the problems quickly. It can read and reset the engine light with ease. The scan tool can fix faulty sensors just like a professional mechanic. Thankfully, you can have many options to choose from a huge app selection. Some apps are not OBD2 products and may require payment. Number 2. Fixed OBD2 Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner. Fixed OBD2 Scanner is not only affordable, but it enables you to use it with all types of gas-powered vehicles. It is an ideal option for professional applications with its feature-rich attributes. Since it allows you to avoid rip-offs, it will let you save on your car repair. You have easy monitoring of the entire fleet. And you can check the battery voltage, schedule service appointments, and even receive notifications regarding car problems. With this, you get instant and detailed diagnostics and know the severity of the issue. While it can perform the multi-vehicle examination, it can also maintain alerts and check engine diagnostics. The OBD2 scanner can repair estimates, and if you are on FOXWELL Premium, then you can have an on-call mechanic. Number 1. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 Scanner. BlueDriver is a brand that will let you have professional diagnostics right at your home, and the best thing about it is that it is loaded with additional features. The BlueDriver OBD2 Scanner will offer you a complete solution while repairing your vehicle as it can provide unlimited reports on various repairs. With enhanced diagnostics, no important information like airbag, ABS will be missed out. Plus, you can perform enhanced diagnostics on different types of vehicles. The scan tool has a blend of the BlueDriver sensor and BlueDriver app for quality and reliable results. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Check the product link in the description below. I hope you find a suitable product for yourself. If you want this type of video in the future, please subscribe to the channel.